There was like sand blowing into our eyes, we can't freaking open them. Hey everyone, welcome to another travel upload. I'm Ned and she's Jerry. We are from KOVA Collective. Basically, we help hospitality businesses to stand out from the competition using branding and marketing strategies. We post videos about hospitality marketing, hospitality branding, as well as online business. So if any of this content interests you, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And without further ado, let me share with you our last big trip in Crete. You most probably clicked on this video because you want to find out more information about Matala Beach. Before we share with you tips about visiting Matala Beach, you have to include Agia Galini as well as Spili, because Agia Galini and Spili is located along the route to Matala Beach and they themselves are very unique experiences in their own right. So we start off the trip by basically visiting Spilly. Spilly is this small little traditional Cretan town. It is very quaint, and what is very cool about it is that at its town square, it is known for its 25 lion heads with fresh 25 lion heads with fresh, clean spring water flowing out of their mouth. And there is a folklore that goes around saying that if anyone were to drink water from out of that whole 25 lion heads, you'll be able to live young forever.
So when we reached Spilly, we decided to go down like a path that we saw younger people walking, and it led ourselves all the way to the top, like a viewpoint in Spilly where we could see everything, a panoramic 360-degree view of Spilly. It was a beautiful view. One thing to note is that it gets pretty slippery, so you do want to pack some track shoes along with it.
Okay, so next along the entire southern route is Agia Galini. It roughly translates to tranquil sea. Okay,
I did not know that. So we decided to go to Agia Galini because there's this certain viewpoint that when you take a picture from that angle, it actually looks like Positano in Italy. If you guys have been there, you can probably draw some similarities between Agia Galini and Positano. Another thing about Agia Galini is that the streets are extremely beautiful. When you walk down the steps, you see a lot of just whitewashed houses with blue painted windows. We spent actually quite a bit of time taking photos and videos over there as well.
I would just highly suggest you just explore the streets.
Yeah, quick tip is you will see a lot of beautiful and nice to eat tavernas there, but if you are visiting Agia Galini and Matala on the same day, hold it in, hold your appetite, wait till you go to Matala, take those nice pictures in your bikinis for eating your food.
Now to our final destination, Matala Beach, also known as Hippie Beach. I'm gonna share with you some content creation tips on Matala Beach. When we first arrived, there was like sand blowing into our eyes, we can't freaking open them. The sand particles hitting your skin, very pain, okay, until the point where we have to stand our back facing the beach. For Matala Beach, there's an admission fee, unfortunately for us, because we are non-EU citizens. It's about 4 euros. Despite the entrance fee, there were a considerable amount of tourists. Alright, again, I would suggest you wear trekking shoes because it can get a bit slippery because there are a lot of sand, so there are not much grip on the rocks itself. Okay, we just found a nice cave and we just sort of set up shop, create tons of content that we can batch. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. It's amazing, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful location.
Another thing to note for Matala is that you will feel like you need to scale higher and higher and higher up the rocks. You can do that, but you can just find an empty cave and just go there, sit down, enjoy the view, or just take some pictures. But we were told that some Greeks or some locals, they actually go all the way up and then they jump all the way down into the ocean.
We were so hungry, we settled down at the first high-rated restaurant that we can find, and that is George Yacht.
I think by that time we were eating, it was 5 p.m. We had not had proper food the entire day, so you can imagine just how hungry we were, and it was the best meal we have ever had. Like, he loved it so much, I loved it so much. I do not think it was because we were just that hungry. I think the food itself was really good.
I hope that you found these tips helpful. Again, if you have any suggestions, right now we're in Athens, so if you have any suggestions of places that we should If you have any suggestions about places that we should visit in Athens, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. I would love to interact with all of you who are watching on this particular video. So follow us on our social channels, Instagram, LinkedIn, blah blah blah,
and TikTok.
YouTube. TikTok, yes.
Follow
TikTok.
us on TikTok.
Yep. And I guess we'll see you next upload. Bye!